So, are you thinking about buying a new construction home in Louisville, Kentucky? Well, today I'm going to take you through an amazing home in a neighborhood called Hunter's Hollow. You are not going to believe how much house you can get for this price. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video because I have a big surprise for you. So come take a look with me. If this is your first time on the channel, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring that little bell so that you can be one of the first ones to learn about living in Louisville, Kentucky. My name is Tara Hollenden, and me and my entire team do videos just like this for people just like you, just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to live in Louisville, Kentucky and the surrounding areas. So whether it's 6 days, 6 weeks, or even 6 months before you plan on making a move, simply give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, or heck, send up a smoke signal. We get calls and texts and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely loved it. So, as I mentioned, today we are going to take a look through Hunter's Hollow in Louisville, Kentucky. We're going to walk through the Arthur floor plan by Elite Realtors. They have homes starting out around the high 300,000s, and it's a lot of house for that money. This particular one is a 2-story home with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has a minimum of 2,606 square feet. This one also has a partially finished basement. You will see here soon that there's an open study that can be transformed into a formal dining area if you choose. The kitchen features a beautiful island, and there's an open concept. And did I mention walk-in closets? You are not going to want to miss out on this tour. So let's get to it. All right, before we get started, you will see things where they have to do a little bit of touch up, but that is just part of the normal new construction process. You always walk through, look at everything, and anything that needs to be touched up, they will come back and take care of. And this one will be furnished later on. So for those of you who would like to see it furnished, I'll be back after that time and go ahead and do another video so you can check that out as well. So let's get started. This is the study that you could turn into a formal dining room if you need it or want it. I personally would love to have this as an office with those 2 nice, beautiful windows. You can look out over the yard, and eventually there will be other houses, but it would be a very nice place to have an office. This door goes to the basement, so we will check that out a little bit later on. But as you come in, you've got a nice half bath, which is great for your guests to use. Wide open to the living room. And then of course that's upstairs, but this is something that I love. This island is absolutely gorgeous. It is plenty of space. There's so much countertop space and beautiful backsplash and stainless steel appliances. And check out that pantry. This would be a perfect little coffee bar. And then they have these beautiful built-ins from when you come in off the garage. And a nice size coat closet. So coming in from the garage, you come into this area where you can drop your shoes, your bags, and then right into the beautiful kitchen, which as you can see is wide open to the living room. There's a nice deck. As you can see, it's got a beautiful tree line out the back backyard. All right, let's go check out the upstairs. To the top of the steps on the left is a nice open loft area, perfect for another living room or a play area. I've seen a lot of homes where they put a futon or a small couch in here, and this is where gaming can happen, or if you've got a little one with a lot of toys, this would be a nice area to kind of keep it all in one place. Here is your upstairs laundry room. Makes it very convenient with all the bedrooms being upstairs. A full bathroom. Beautiful tile floors, double sinks, and the shower and toilet, which I love that there's a door right here too, because if you have multiple kids, one's using the bathroom or one's in the shower, the others can still come and brush their teeth. But as I mentioned, here's a prime example. This is where they need to do a touch-up. So it is marked. Usually you'll see anything like this is marked for the painters to easily be able to identify the areas that need to be touched up. At the end of the hall, we have 3 bedrooms and a nice linen closet or sheets closet, anything extra that you would need. Here is bedroom number 1. A nice reach-in closet, very good size. Lots of space here. With an extra large walk-in closet here in the hallway. Can never have enough closets. Bedroom number 2, and look how cute those windows are. I just love those little windows. And a walk-in closet for this bedroom as well. And bedroom 3, which also has a walk-in closet. Great size closets for this house. And we go back, and to the right of the top of the stairs is going to be your primary. And wait until you see this bathroom. I mean, it is huge. Plenty of counter space, tons of cabinets and drawers. Beautiful walk-in shower tiled all around. This would be a perfect place for a makeup table if needed. Otherwise, extra open space for decorative items, or you know, get creative with it. This bathroom has a nice linen closet in it, which is amazing, and leads right into your large walk-in closet. All right, this does it for the second floor, so I'm going to come back to you at the basement. All right, let's go check out this partially finished basement. Beautiful walkout patio. A lot of natural light comes in. I don't have any lights on down here, so it's definitely got great lighting. And then over here, your full bathroom. Nice storage closet. And a bedroom. And this is a legal bedroom. And another walk-in closet. The rest of the basement is unfinished. You've got your mechanical room. There's a little bit of extra storage you could use. And then on the other side is a much larger usable storage room. So this house has a ton to offer. It's got great bedrooms, amazing closets, walkout. The kitchen is absolutely gorgeous and the bathrooms are all beautiful. So hopefully you enjoyed the tour of the Arthur here in Hunter's Hollow. And thank you so much for coming along with me. All right, guys, that's just about going to do it for our video today of the beautiful Hunter's Hollow neighborhood here in Louisville, Kentucky. This place is just a quick drive to the Snyder, so you can easily get anywhere you want in a short amount of time. There's also an abundance of dining options, grocery stores, shopping, and the cute city of Jefferson Town just minutes away. So, and listen, they are offering some pretty special financing right now. So with the right situation, you can actually get rates as low as 4.99% on an FHA loan. And remember I told you to stick around to the end for a surprise? Well, if you email me for a limited time, I can get you up to $20,000 off of design center upgrades. Yep. You heard that right, a 20 grand discount. Just reach out to us and we will cover all the details. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and remember, if this was your first time on the channel, be sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so that you can be one of the first ones to learn about living in Louisville, Kentucky. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.